5'9", brown eyes in a sundress, loves Tim McGraw and a small town accent. Ain't no way that me and this drug made her fall in love. Jack makes good whiskey, but God makes the good stuff. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe, and request more songs that you would like to learn in the comments. So this is how to play 5'9" by Tyler Hubbard, part of FGL, or formerly FGL, whatever. But anyway, so this song is pretty dang easy, just like most FGL songs. There's only like 5 chords, I think, in the song, and you're going to use like 3 of them 90% of the time. Well, 2 of them like 80% of the time. So the strumming pattern is also the same throughout. So I'm going to show you the chords that you're going to play, the strumming patterns. I'm going to show you where you play them with the lyrics and everything. So stick with me because I'm going to show you how you do the bridge. The bridge is a little bit different, so stick with me until there at least. And yeah, and let me know if you have any questions or anything. So let's get into it. So the chords, the main 2 chords you're going to use, you're going to do C and you're going to do F. Now you can do this F, but I think it's easier to do this one. So it's kind of like a rip-off, but so you're going to keep your pointer finger on, okay? And then you're actually just going to move from C, you're going to move them back like down 2 sets of strings. So you're going to put your middle finger on the 2nd fret in relation to the capo on the G string, and your ring finger is going to go on the 3rd fret in relation to the capo on the D string. Okay, so it's okay, just like that. So you're going to do those ones. You're also going to do, and this is not in order now, but you're going to do A minor, okay? And you're going to do G. I like doing this G, but if you want to do this one, that's fine. But I say do G. And you're also going to do D minor, okay? If you don't know D minor, is you're going to put your pointer finger, okay, on the 1st fret on the little E string, all right? And then you're going to put your ring finger, okay? It goes on the 3rd fret on the B string, and then you're going to put your middle finger, okay, it's going to go on the 2nd fret on the G string. Okay, so those are the chords you're going to use. Now the strum, there's also, it's in standard tuning, there's a capo on the 5th fret, all right? So for the intro, you're just going to do C, F, C, okay? Now that also, and you're gonna do that twice with no lyrics. Now that's the strumming pattern as well for the whole song, okay? Well, 95% of the song. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. So it's basically just alternating, but you're gonna hit down and then give it a split second. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Super easy. Now for the verses, you just, and the intro, you're gonna play it softer. Okay, remember to do a 2nd time. Okay, you're gonna do Jack makes good whiskey, yeah. Okay, so, and then you're just gonna keep going. So I'm gonna show you where it goes. So you do C on Jack. Jack makes good whiskey. Whiskey is where you do F. Whiskey, yeah. The end of whiskey, when you go into yeah, you're gonna go back to C. Yeah. Red dirt, so you stay on C. Red dirt makes good. Good is F. Good riding roads. Roads is C. Roads. Country makes good music. Okay, so country is C still. Country makes good okay, good music. So we're gonna do F. Music. Okay, and then on ick, you're gonna go into C. Ick. For kicking up dust in a tail light glow. Okay, so for kicking up dust in a tail light. So tail light is where you go to F. Tail light glow. So glow, okay, is C. Now here's where you're gonna change it a little bit. So then you're gonna go to A minor on dry wood. Dry wood makes good fires. Good years, so good years is G. Good years make good swings. Okay, then you're gonna do F again. Okay, so you go to F, and you're gonna do all, okay, all that's all good, but for me, and then me, you're gonna do D minor. And I mute the top string here. For me. Okay, and then you're gonna go into the chorus. All right. So you're gonna do 5 is where you do C. Okay. Now here you're gonna do C, F, C, G to start. So you can do that twice. So you're gonna do 5'9", brown eyes and a sundress. Okay. So 5'9". Sorry, 5'9". So 9 is where you switch to F. 9 brown eyes. Eyes is where you go back to C. Eyes in a sundress. Sundress is G. Sundress. Loves. Okay, loves is C. Loves Tim McGraw. McGraw's F. Graw. And a small is C. Small town accent. So accent is G. Okay, you're gonna keep doing that. You're gonna do ain't. So ain't is C. Ain't no way that me is F, me and this truck is C. Truck made her fall. So fall is G. Fall in love. Jack. Okay, so then you go back to C. Jack makes good whiskey. So whiskey is F, whiskey. But God. Okay, God is C. God makes the good stuff. And then you do C, and then you're just gonna stay on C for that good stuff. And you do C. Good stuff. God makes the good stuff. So you're just doing C like that to end it. Okay, then you go to the next verse and it's just like the first one. Okay, so after you do the second chorus, you're just going to keep playing C, F, C. Okay. I'm probably doing it slightly faster tempo, but you're going to do C, F, C twice, and then when you go into that next break, you're going to do God. So then you're just going to do single strums. God, or actually not single strums, sorry. You're just going to keep playing it softer. God made her so I'ma make sure he didn't waste an angel on me. Okay, so me, you're going to do D minor on me when he made. Okay, and then here, this is where it's different. So you're just going to do single strums. 5'9". So this is like the bridge here. 5'9", brown eyes in a sundress, loves Tim McGraw and a small town accent. Ain't no way that me and this truck made her fall in love. Jack makes good whiskey, but God makes the good stuff. 5'9", brown eyes in a sundress, loves Tim McGraw and a small town accent. Ain't no way that me and this truck made her fall in love. Jack makes good whiskey, but God makes the good stuff. God makes the good stuff. Okay? Then when you end it, so you're just going to go, yeah, God makes the good stuff. And then good stuff. C, F, C, whoa. And then you can do A minor, G, C, D minor. Okay? And that's where you end it. So that's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks so much for watching, and see me next time.